Friends, here I will be talking about zfill and center methods of Python strings. First, let me go with syntax for these two methods. So here, zfill pads a string on the left with zeros based on given width. And this is the simple syntax for that. Simply your string, then zfill width. And here that width is always an integer. Now let me explain with an example so that it is clear. Suppose I am taking my string as Python, and now let me print our string, and once again I am printing our string, but now this time I am applying our zeros fill method, and I am giving width as, let's say, 30. You can provide any width here. Observe the output. See, it is printing your given string in the width of 30, but our string consists of 6 characters only. That's why remaining characters are padding with 0, that too on left side. That's it. Then next one is center method. So simply it is used to center align the string based on given width. Now let me take same string. Now I am printing our string by taking center method. Suppose I am giving width as 30. Now in the width of 30 in the output, it is going to print your string in the middle of that, center for that. See the result? Yes. Suppose this is 30 width, in that it is going to print your string center by taking center. Now while doing that, you can also pass optionally some fill character. That means the remaining spaces, right? These spaces you can fill with some random character. See, suppose I am taking, let's say, star. You can take any character. See the result? Not only star, suppose I am taking, let's say, underscore. You can take anything. That's it. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.